Magandang buhay mga kamami! Lynn here and welcome to our kitchen. Mag-share kami ngayon ng isang napakasarap na recipe na pwedeng pang merienda o kaya naman ay pang negosyo. Kaya ano pang iniintay natin? Let's cook! Sa maliit na bowl, paghaluin ang 2 to 3 grams ng instant coffee powder at 10 ml hot water. On a separate bowl, soften 60 grams unsalted butter, then add 50 grams sugar. Mix well. Add 1 egg, then pour the coffee mixture. Sift 70 grams cake flour, then mix until fully incorporated. Ilagay sa piping bag ang mixture. Then prepare your store-bought buns. Islice ang gitna ng pa-cross. Wag po natin masyado laliman ang pagkakaslice para hindi mabutas ang buns. After slicing, add butter cubes in the middle. Then, pipe the coffee mixture in a spiral motion around the buns. Bake in a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After baking, let it cool down for a few minutes. And we're done! Ready to serve na ang ating coffee buns. Kung natakam kayo sa pastry recipe na ito mga kamami, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on the notifications para updated kayo sa mga masasarap at nakakatakam na recipes na i-upload sa aming channel. See you in the next video and happy cooking!